Cilj koji svaka godina za Olimpiju treba biti titula, da igramo atraktivan i moderan fudbal. I ćemo davati uvijek sve od sebe, očekivamo i u što većem broju stadionu. Očekivam dosta tvrda utakmica, dosta agresivni, međutim trebamo gledati tekmu za tekmu, trebamo dati svoj maksimum da započnemo sezonu kako treba i da se oboduje.
My expectations, as always, is next match and prepare to win. There's nothing more than keeps my mind occupied and prepare the team for the next match and fight for winning. That's it. As a matter of fact, I don't know what really to expect, because I know that they have made some changes in the squad in the last few days. So for us, because they didn't have any official match, so perhaps I must admit that I have some doubts about how, what kind of opponent, I know, because we analyze them, of course, but to be honest, accurately, I have some doubts about what we'll face tomorrow, but we have to be prepared for one aspect or another that they could change, and we have to be ready for that.